Today, we're making golden restaurant-style hash browns using 2 potatoes and a handful of spices. To make these crispy hash browns, start by peeling 2 medium potatoes and grating them using a food processor or a hand grater. Transfer the grated potatoes into a bowl and wash them thoroughly under cold water to remove excess starch. This step helps the hash brown turn out extra crispy. Once washed, squeeze out all the excess water from the potatoes using a clean kitchen towel. Now place the grated potatoes into a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix everything together until the potatoes are well coated in the seasonings. Heat a generous amount of ghee in a pan over medium heat. Shape the potato mixture and press it gently onto the pan to form a flat, even layer. Fry the hash brown on one side until it becomes golden and crispy. Then carefully flip and cook the other side the same way. Continue cooking until both sides are beautifully browned and crunchy. Repeat with the remaining mixture, adding more ghee as needed. And there you have it. Perfectly crispy homemade hash browns that are golden, flavorful and so easy to make. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes.